Hello everyone and welcome again to our session. So, meron tayong topic today which is called the word problems involving right triangles. So, our problem is on right triangles. So, the problem is stated there. So, we have a child is standing on the ground 78 feet from the base of the building. The angle of elevation to the top of the building is 48 degrees. How high is the building? So today, meron akong i-introduce sa inyo na method. So that is what we call APS check. So here meron tayong U meaning non-understand. So dito, pag sinabi nating understand, so you have to understand the problem. So to understand the problem, kailangan nating scrutinize ano ba yung mga given. So meron tayo ditong 78 feet. So meaning daw, yung bata daw, nakatayo daw siya sa ground from the base of a building ng 78 feet. And meron din tayong angle of elevation to the top of the building. So sabi doon, 48 degrees. Now the question is, how high is the building? So titingnan natin gano'n daw kataas yung building. So meron din tayong kailangan gawin for understanding. So kailangan alam natin yung mga terms na sa tingin nyo hindi pa siya familiar kayo. So dito naman meron tayong sa P which is plan. So you have to plan how to solve the problem. And one of the methods that you can use is you have to illustrate your problem. So kanina nakita natin yung mga given natin, may 78, may 48 degrees, tapos nawawala daw yung high. So dito nagdo-drawing na po ng building at yung bata. So kailangan nating ma-illustrate yung maayos na drawing. So, para maintindihan lalo natin. So, yan. So, nandun yung bata. Tapos, nandito yung building. So, ililabel din natin para mas madaling maintindihan. So, you have 78 from the child to the base of the building. Tapos, may 48 degrees din tayo. And yung X natin is the height of the building. So, ayan yung illustration natin for our problem. So, now we have S, that is solve. So, dito naman, we have to recall the different trigonometric ratios. So, kung natatandaan nyo pa yung SOHCAHTOA ulit, so gagamitin natin siya para ma-solve yung ating problem. So, you have here, in our given, meron tayong opposite. So, yung opposite natin is the X, which is the unknown, and the adjacent is the given side of the right triangle. Correct. So, ang gagamitin natin is TOA. So, that is tangent 48 equals to the opposite, which is X, over the adjacent 78. Yan. So, what you will do is you get your scientific calculator and then i-key-in nyo lang yung tangent 48. So, dito kailangan nating i-cross multiply yung tangent 48 and 78. So, we can look for the value of X. So, pag sinulat natin yon, that will be X equals to 78 times tangent 48. So, pagka yan ay na-cross multiply natin, makukuha natin siya sa calculator. So, magiging ang sagot natin dyan is X equals, again, ulitin ko lang ulit, no, kasi binura ko siya kanina. So, 78 times tangent 48 is equal to, so you have to multiply that, no, using your calculator. So, that is 86.63 feet. So, approximately, so that is 87 feet. So, ayun yung ating value for the unknown. So, meron pa rin tayong isang method which is, the process which is check. So, kailangan nating i-check kung tama yung sagot natin na X. So, balikan natin yung ating ratio. So, that's tangent 48 equals to the value of X now is 87 over 78. So, kuhanin natin yung tangent 48 using the calculator. So, tangent 48 is equal to 1.11. Now, you get the quotient of 87 and 78. So, 87 divided by 78. So, that is 1.12. So, they are the same. No? So, ibig sabihin, tama yung ating nakuha na value ng X. So, again, laging tatandaan to use UPS check or APS check kasi that is what we call the Polya's method in problem solving. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much and I hope you learned something.